Beck,
Matty.
we're down at Legian.
Yes.
One of our viewers has told us to come down to Warung Sate Denny.
Yes.
Shall we go and give it a try?
Sounds great. Matty, I have got calamari with the jimbaran sauce, and we've also got pork satay as well.
Beck, at Sate Denny on Benesari Street in Legian, we went the chicken mee goreng, but we went with no egg. Just to complement the noodles. Let's give it a try. Fresh, hot. Huh. I wish the viewers could smell it.
I know.
How good. The noodles fresh, hot.
The calamari is amazing.
Is it?
Yeah.
Not too chewy? How chewy is it?
I wouldn't class it as chewy. No, it's beautiful. Yum.
Oh, look at this pork satay. Saw it cooking.
Perfectly.
Oh. Huh. What a great little place. As you can see, local family, and I'm starting to think it's local price. The pork satay, it's got some type of marinade and it's got that nice jerky, like that jerky flavour.
Has it?
Yeah, it's really, it is quite chilly. Oh. Oh. That is good. Can I say too, at Sate Denny, the meat is pretty chunky. Look, there's a lot of places in Bali with Sate, and nothing wrong with it, but it can be a bit light on the meat, but this has actually got quite a good thickness of meat. Beck,
Matty.
Warung Sate Man Denny.
Yes.
How was it?
Oh, it was delicious. Great feed. Great satay.
2 satay, 2 drinks, and noodles.
Yes.
For the great sum of 114,000.
Wow, that's fantastic. Guys, I highly recommend the calamari. They marinate it in a jimbaran sauce. It was delicious.
Yeah, so local Warung
Yes.
and Beck, local price.
Just what you like, Matty.
So come down if you're a lover of satay, come down to Warung Sate Denny. You won't be disappointed.
Absolutely.
Beck,
Matty.
we're down at Legian on Benesari Street.
Yes.
Just down from the pad on Bene.
We are.
At a little warung called Warung Pacman.
Yes, Matty.
So I don't know if it's looks like it might have a bit of influence of Malaysian or Chinese or something like that.
It looks like it does, yes.
So looks all right.
Looks good.
We've been recommended by one of our viewers, Beck, to come and try it.
Absolutely.
Looks local.
Love the local, Matty.
We'll see if it's local price.
Sounds great, Matty. It's based with egg and chicken and vegetables. It smells really great. Absolutely delicious, Maddie. As you can see, it's cooked fresh.
At Pacman, Warung Pacman on Benesari Street. Gone the crispy beef. Something a bit different. Crispy. Let's give it a try.
Oh, what's that one?
Beef. It's something really different, but delicious. The crunch on it is superb. Nice thinly cut beef in a nice crunchy coating. The sauce is a bit like gravy, but it's not quite a gravy. But looks like it's like fried.
What else can I say? Delicious.
Beck,
Maddie.
Warung Pacman on Benesari Street in
Yes.
Legian. How was dinner?
Oh, mine was absolutely delicious.
Oh, 2 drinks, 2 mains, and I had the crispy beef. Let me tell you, if you come down here, go the crispy beef.
Yes.
Something really, really different and delicious, all for the sum of 148,000 Beck.
Oh, Matt, my dish, can I say, I usually buy this particular dish in Australia, and these guys done a great job on it. It was absolutely delicious. I was very happy with my meal.
Can get busy down on Benesari Street, but,
Yeah.
but I can say, again, local price Beck, so she's a winner for me.
And come down to support these locals because they're a really great bunch of people.
Stop the video.
The new merch has arrived.
We don't want our viewers to waste money buying merch. We want to save you money by watching our video.
What is free is liking our videos, and it means a lot to us.
And if you really, really like our videos, you can subscribe. On with the adventure.
One of our viewers has told us to come to Warung Tut Taya.
Beck, we're at Warung Tut Taya on Jalan Legian Street. The 100% genuine fake shop is just down there, about 20 metres, and 2 bobs are just over the other side. So very easy and pretty much opposite the Mercure Hotel. And just head down this little walkway here and come to Warung Tut Taya.
Welcome to Warung Tut Taya. I've got chicken with pepper sauce. Smells pretty good.
Beck at Warung Tut Taya in Legian went the AM Manis, which is basically a sweet and sour chicken. Smells pretty good. Lovely sweet and sour.
The black pepper sauce, so flavoursome, beautiful. Maddie, absolutely delicious. Got a bit of kick to it too, but very, very nice. Maddie,
We're at Warung Tut Taya in Legian.
we are
How was it?
fabulous. Really, really enjoyed my pepper chicken.
Two drinks,
2 drinks.
two mains, and rice. For the price of 44,000 rupiah, Beck.
Couldn't believe it. Oh, fantastic. Your type of prices, Maddie?
Beck, if you notice when we come in, did you notice all the locals eating here?
I did.
So it fits Matt's criteria of local warung, local price.
But best of all, the food is delicious.
Delicious. The only, not a drawback, but the chicken was with the bone in.
Yeah, that was the first time we've had chicken like that here.
Which I can say is sometimes a good thing because at least you know it's chicken.
We'd just like to thanks to one of our viewers. They have recommended Warung Tut Taya to us. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you for the recommendation. We thoroughly enjoyed it.